Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today and welcome to Opentalk Virtual Keynote. As Tiago mentioned, we are entering our next decade of innovation, and today I am so thrilled to be here to share with you all the innovation we're working on at TalkDesk to help you provide great customer experience. But before that, 2020, wow, what a year. We've all talked a lot about the year 2020, but we can't deny the fact that 2020 has changed the way we live our lives forever. Our lives now are a lot more digital than ever before. Kids around the globe are getting education on online video conferences. Patients are now a lot more comfortable talking to their doctors to get patient care online on telehealth systems. And of course, even fitness has gone digital. And we no longer have to go to the fitness center to get a great trainer. And this applies to every facet of our lives. Activities that we were once not comfortable doing digitally have all gone digital in this very new world. And this has really given the consumers a taste of what digital customer experience feels like. It is convenient, of course, and it is here to stay. While as consumers, we've adopted the digital customer experience, brands, on the other hand, are feeling the pressure. They are feeling the pressure to meet the new digital first gold standard, and they are feeling the pressure to meet the digital demand. How can brands stay ahead of the competition, meet the digital demand, and most importantly, scale great digital customer experience? The answer is simple. The answer is digital first, automation first customer experience. For the next decade or so, it's not enough just to think about digital, but it's even more important to think about AI and automation to scale the digital customer experience. And the great news is that technology is ready. It is ready to automate 80% of your interactions to provide that fast and frictionless experience your customers are asking for. Let's see it in action. Let's take a look at how AI and automation can help solve real problems and get real value. In fact, at TalkDesk, we use something called this jobs to be done framework so that every product we deliver has a specific job and provides value to the customers. There is a lot that can be done with AI and automation, but these are the top three jobs that we obsess over at TalkDesk to create quick value to our customers. First is identifying issues that are causing contacts. What triggers your customer? What's the reason why your customers call your contact center? As easy as this sounds, this is hard for most contact centers today. And identifying this accurately opens up tremendous opportunities to automate and delight. Second is the self-service rate. It's increasing your self-service rate to help customers help themselves. But more importantly, making sure that self-service is delightful. We've all been victims of bad chatbot and voice bot experiences where the bot just doesn't understand you. Here we're talking about a self-service experience that is delightful for your customer. Third is about increasing the ability for agents to resolve issues quickly and correctly. Imagine the last time a customer service agent put you on hold for a very long time to find the information and still couldn't get you what you were looking for. We at TalkDesk want to eliminate that. These are the three jobs we focus on with our AI products at TalkDesk. But how? What's the solution to these questions and to these jobs that we just talked about? Let's take the first job of identifying the issue. A few ways how TalkDesk solves the problem. The first is CX Analytics. CX Analytics provides the ability to deep dive into 100% of your speech and text streams so you can mine all that rich interaction data to identify the intent. And the 100% here is really important. It's because it is possible because we have our own AI platform with speech transcription that helps you do this at scale and affordably. While at the same time, at TalkDesk, we also let customers bring your own transcription service if needed. Second is CX Sensors. Our customers have been really excited about CX Sensors. CX Sensors is a real-time sensor that can be set up very easily on any word your customer is saying. As an example, we're working with a government organization, and the organization wants to be immediately alerted and notified every time their customer says the word bomb. Of course, right? It's an important word that needs to be alerted immediately. Using CX Sensor, you can set up an alert to be triggered in real time when the word bomb is mentioned. And the best thing about CX Sensor is these alerts are also actionable. You can take action based on any of the alerts that you set up by setting up an automation connected to the third party system. So when an alert happens, there is immediate action loop right after the alert happens. We're very excited about CX Sensor and a lot of great feedback and interest from our customer base on the CX Sensor. Finally, let's take a look at our favorite CX clusters. One of the major problems in the industry is that although data exists, it is just not easy to identify the intent. That's why we built CX Cluster. CX Cluster helps identify the issue that customers are talking about by surfacing the groups of issues in a beautiful and easy to understand visualization. For example, as you can see on the screen here, CX Cluster is showing the set of issues that customers are talking about, specifically providing the ability to drill down into COVID vaccination for pregnant women to understand the topic more. A lot of companies have seasonal businesses. COVID is one such seasonal issue, hopefully, and there are a lot more. Every time we go into winter season, as an example, customers talk about new issues related to snowstorm or battery running out. CX Cluster makes it really easy to identify the issue and act on it immediately, irrespective of whether it is a recurring issue or your customers are talking about it for the very first time. All right, let us go into job number 2, which is increasing self-service rate. After 3 jobs, this is where we're spending most of the time because the market is driving us here for the purpose of cost containment. Virtual agent, be it virtual agent voice or digital channel, there's a lot of low-hanging fruit here for companies to use virtual agent to help customers. Most companies can automate about 30% of their interactions, especially the ones that are repetitive and easy, and get their customers the answers faster without having to wait in queue. Isn't that great? And finally, coming to the second one on the list, Guide. Guide is our self-service knowledge portal, truly helping customers help themselves. Knowledge gets created and curated within Guide, published, rebranded, customized to show it in your website so that customers can find information easily. So let's go to the third job that we talked about, which is helping agents provide answers faster. We're doing 2 things here to help agents provide better answers faster. First is AI-based Quality Management Assist, which provides 100% of agent interactions, automated scorecarding by AI, to provide effective agent coaching to make every agent your best agent. The second one is our very favorite, Agent Assist. We sat next to over 100 agents these past few years, and we had this big aha moment and a big realization when we saw agents talk to their customers. The work of an agent is a lot like driving a car. It takes extreme focus on the road. The road in this case is your interaction with your customer, and the destination is a happy customer with a very high CSAT score. And all that you need as a driver is all that you need for driving to the destination is a navigation app. We're all used to it. We use the GPS, we use Google Maps, we use navigation app as we drive so that we can focus on the road. We're all used to it, and that is the inspiration we took on for Agent Assist. We looked at Agent Assist as a navigation app for your customer interaction so that your agents can have complete focus on the road, which is your customer interaction in this case. As you can see on the screen, Agent Assist, just like the navigation app, guides you with the conversation with your customer, surfaces all the relevant information cards at the right time based on the interaction, shows the recommendations at the right time, and finally, it also helps you summarize the call after it's done at the right time. This is the Google Maps of the contact center, and our goal is to eliminate the agents putting you on hold to search for information. That's a time sink for most contact centers, and we want to eliminate that. And as you can see clearly from my voice, I'm super excited about it. We've gotten great feedback on Agent Assist, and we're very much looking forward to many customers using this and providing this Google Maps for contact centers to their agents and providing great customer experience to their customers. And all of these amazing AI and automation products work because the knowledge is constantly refreshed with the human in the loop AI training. Just like you and I, get better with training, AI also gets better with training. And with continuous human in the loop nudges, AI can perform 10x better. We built the AI trainer with a goal of democratizing AI and making it extremely easy to train. You don't need to have expensive data scientists to train the model. All that you need are people who know your business. And in most cases, these are typically your agents. The trainer also has built-in quality assurance mechanism to ensure that no one agent can make a mistake that would hurt the model. And this is how we operationalize the training of models, and this is how we help companies scale AI. We're very excited that our customers are using these products and getting value out of it every single day. And I'm going to give you a few examples of a few customers who are using these products and how they get benefit from it. The first one here, as you can see, is City Experiences by Hornblower. Hornblower uses our AI trainer to show insights related to refunds and COVID. These were brand new issues that Hornblower had never heard before. AI trainer identified that there are repeated cases of customers asking questions about the refund due to COVID. So Hornblower created content for it in our guide knowledge base. And now when the customer asks about this issue related to COVID and refunds, it automatically surfaces the agents the right information at the right time. No more searching for, no more looking around, and no more wasting time. The second example that you see here is Employee Bridge. Employee Bridge relies heavily on their contact center to match job openings with job seekers. They have been a happy customer of TalkDesk Agent Assist, and the way they use it is once they reach a job seeker through the call, Agent Assist uses AI to screen pop the appropriate information and knowledge documents relevant to the candidate, shaving off a few minutes in every single call. And this helps their agents provide better answers faster. And more importantly, it also helps them provide more accurate responses to the customers as well. And the last one, as an example today, is Cisco Foods. Cisco has a process where on almost every single call, unless the customer had been validated within the last 30 days, they had to go through an authentication process with the customer. This manual authentication process often took 40 to 60 seconds with an agent. And this was a repetitive process, and Cisco, of course, decided to optimize this by using Virtual Agent to shave off those 40 to 60 seconds that we just talked about. And speaking of Cisco Food, I am very pleased today to welcome Ed Poorbach. Ed is a director of Customer Experience Center Technologies at Cisco. Ed, thanks for joining us today. Cisco has been one of our visionary customers in applying AI in your contact center. What's your experience been like so far?
Well, it's been amazing. And CK, thank you so much for asking me to join you today. I am so excited about the innovations that TalkDesk is delivering for CX leaders like myself, and to be able to use AI to solve real customer problems, get things done, all while providing just amazing CX. I'd like to share one important thing for us is security. And one of the products we use is TalkDesk Guardian. And Guardian uses AI to analyze the statistics of our agents, and it monitors behaviors. And it allows us to put that tool in our cybersecurity toolkit. And, as many of us, our agents transition to work from home, we really needed a tool to monitor that behavior, and Guardian does that for us. And it monitors multiple sign-ons, international calls, and just even frequency of inbound and outbound calls. And this allows us to identify potentially risky behaviors of our agents that could impact Cisco. And another way we're using AI, and you mentioned it, and it's perhaps one of my favorite tools, is Agent Assist. As you said previously, our agents had to digest information, do a search, probably had a lot of dead air, or were putting customers on hold, and it created a bad customer experience. With Agent Assist, both sides of the conversation are being transcribed real time. And if the AI has been trained and it identifies a match, it'll display right there in front of the agent a link that says, hey, here's the process, or here's a knowledge article that you can share with the customer, or that helps them do their job better. So we've seen an improvement in customer experience. We've seen a decrease in call handle times, as well as quicker times to get through training and have agents ready to deliver that great Cisco customer experience.
That's fantastic, Ed. I love that you know all of our products so well. Thank you so much for sharing those insights. Really appreciate it. In addition to all these, you've also been a founding member of our customer community. And we always love having you in our community, and we love all the collaboration that you provide to our community as well. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. I've enjoyed it, and I was honored to be a founding member. It's been great to work with other TalkDesk users. I've learned a lot. I've mentored a lot. And I think all of us on the community feel like we're real TalkDesk insiders. And I just congratulate you on everything you're doing. And the community is just the cherry on top cake. So thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Ed, once again for your time today, joining us on the keynote stage. I'll let you go now so that you can get ready for your next fantastic session. Ed is going to be speaking in the breakout session right after this keynote at 10 a.m. PST on driving agent performance and engagement. Don't miss it. All right, we have talked a lot about the importance of automation first and how AI and automation can solve real problems. Let's talk about digital first. Think about the last time you tried to contact a brand. It often takes you to a chatbot where you give all of your information, and then the chatbot sometimes makes you call the customer support representative. And guess what? Many times you have to repeat all that information that you shared with the chatbot once again with the agent. We've all been there. I've done this so many times. We've all been there. We've all been in situations where we provide information in one channel and we have to repeat it over and over and over again in other channels. It is frustrating as a consumer for all of us. And the reason this happens is because most contact centers have the problem of channel silos. And the only way to solve this is unification of all of those channels we talked about, and providing your customer support agents with a simple workspace that shows every step of the customer journey all in one place without having to swivel chair between applications to see different parts of the journey. That is why I am so excited today to talk about TalkDesk Workspace. Let's play that video.
We're proud to debut a new way to provide great experiences with TalkDesk. TalkDesk Workspace. It's more than just a pretty interface. It's a better way to work. TalkDesk Workspace equips every role in the contact center with the ideal interface to get the job done. The look, feel, and functionality of Workspace can be completely personalized, putting essential information and actions at employees' fingertips to simplify work, accelerate training, increase adoption, and boost productivity. Access TalkDesk CX cloud applications and integrations all in one place. Add App Connect solutions, custom applications and components to create highly tailored experiences for different roles or teams. A centralized feed of notifications ensures employees are alerted to key events so they can quickly take action. A language selector lets employees personalize their workspace according to their own preferences. Available in the browser or as an easy-to-install desktop client with single sign-on, TalkDesk Workspace is accessible from anywhere. A fully responsive design and always-on-top functionality makes the workspace simple to resize and move without ever losing track of it. TalkDesk Workspace. It's a better way to customize the contact center and a better way to work. From TalkDesk.
All right, wasn't that great? TalkDesk Workspace is a personalized experience for all user personas in a contact center. The agent workspace unifies everything the agent needs across all the channels in a single pane of glass, which means you no longer have to repeat the same information over and over and over again in different channels. TalkDesk Builder allows you to customize your contact center with low-code and no-code tools. And finally, TalkDesk App Connect allows you to bring curated App Connect partner applications all in the same workspace, in the same unified end-to-end experience. We're very excited about TalkDesk Workspace, and we have several customers using our workspace and providing us great feedback today. Now, with the power of Workspace, we've taken the digital first, automation first customer experience to the next level, and we've created industry specific products. We know that every industry is unique. Although the ultimate goal in every industry is to delight customers, our clients, our patients, our subscribers, our members, the reality is that every industry has a unique way of looking at their customers, unique strategies, methodologies, and systems to delight their customers. And there is really no one size fits all. All the generic platforms, while providing great capabilities the generic platforms have to be customized to make the best use in every industry. This takes a lot of time, often requires large services implementation projects, and ultimately, after doing all of that, still often lacks the industry, what industry is looking for. That is why at TalkDesk, we wanted to make CX relevant and easy for every industry. This is why at TalkDesk, we decided to build industry products. We hired industry expertise in-house within the company, and we also work with great visionary companies in several industries to build the industry best practices right into the product. As you heard from Tiago today, we're introducing our first two TalkDesk Industry Experience Clouds, Financial Services Experience Cloud and Healthcare Experience Cloud. In the financial services, we are delivering the banking experience that is available to customers today, and we are also working on products for insurance, payment and fintech, wealth management in the future. In the healthcare, we are delivering the provider experience that is available to our customers today, and we are working on products for healthcare payers, medical devices, and pharmaceuticals in the future. In addition to financial services and healthcare, we're also looking into building products in other industries, specifically in retail, government, and education. So let me tell you a little bit more about our Financial Services Experience Cloud. Financial Services Experience Cloud is a client experience solution tailor-made for the financial services industry. With our out-of-the-box solution, the product delivers fast time to value for financial institutions, while also offering a simple, delightful, and very importantly, secure journey for your clients. With Financial Services Experience Cloud, we offer banking-specific insights and functions in the TalkDesk workspace, as you can see on the screen, giving lenders all the information they need at their fingertips, including borrower data, curated content, workflows, and integrations into core banking systems, resulting in a highly personalized and efficient borrower experience. Financial Services Experience Cloud supports numerous use cases, and let me give you a few examples. The first is digital lending and account servicing with co-browsing, video chat, all within the unified workspace that we just talked about. The other one is collections with automated outreach for collection reminders and improved billing transparency. There is a lot more, and I want to talk to you about a few use cases today. We're very excited about the TalkDesk Financial Services Experience Cloud, and you're going to hear a lot more about it today in the breakout sessions. And speaking about financial institutions, I would like to introduce our next guest. Please welcome Adrian Lang. Adrian is Head of Operations and Small Business Solutions at Bank of Montreal. Adrian, thanks for joining us today. You've been a fantastic founding member of TalkDesk Financial Services Advisory Board. We've spent quite some time talking about the contact center of the future, especially in banking. And I would love to know, what does that look like for Bank of Montreal?
Sure. Hi, CK. So glad to be here. Well, it really reflects a lot of the types of products and services you've already spoken about. As a starting point, of course, the call center not only isn't going anywhere, it's gaining in prominence and importance at the Bank of Montreal and other financial institutions. It's a channel of choice for many. And so we really have to improve that channel. So the starting point, and you touched on this, is we have to make the channel journey the one the customer wants to start and end in. We've got to meet the customer where they want to be. And we also have to have seamless experiences between channels. If they want to start in one channel, but they end up switching to another channel, millennials love to do this, we need to be able to follow them on that same journey and be able to have them complete the entire process that they came to us to complete. That means we need to be able to leverage better data, better digital capabilities, so that you could sign a mortgage with your call center agent over the internet by using e-signature. You can use other digital tools so that you can actually complete that journey, and that's really important to have that seamless experience. Intelligent routing is also incredibly important to make sure that our customers are actually getting to the right place more quickly. This is all, of course, data-driven. We have to use our analytics to be more proactive. We have to stop being so reactive. You touched on some of the tools that we can leverage in terms of actually being able to understand where our customers are going before they might even understand that, so that we can help them without just simply using data to react. It's about removing friction for the customer, and you mentioned never having to repeat your own personal information again. Biometric authentication is key for that. It's a tool we leverage today, but also being able to understand the whole customer. We have to have a 360 view across every single channel. Not only should you never have to repeat your information twice, how frustrating is that? You really shouldn't ever have to repeat it once. As soon as you answer the phone, your bank should understand who you are and hopefully why you're calling, but certainly all the data about you that they have stored. You should never have to repeat that. It's so frustrating. We need to move low value calls out. You talked about digital services, bot assisted agents. All of that is really key in terms of making sure that those low action or no action calls that agents have to deal with today get moved to other channels, where it cuts down our customers' wait time. And so they have a much more frictionless and seamless experience. And it also means that it frees up our agents. We want to create super agents of the future. We retrain them, and then they can then service our customers in all kinds of different ways that are more complex, meeting our customers' real financial needs. We do think that at the end of the day, customers will still want to talk to a person about those really key financial decisions, whether they want to refinance their house, whether they need to get a new loan. Even millennials who don't like talking on the phone much are going to want to talk to a real person about those key issues. And so we do think having agents who are fully trained end-to-end in processing is going to be so important. Ultimately, at the end of the day, the experience has to be personal, it's got to be easy, it's got to be directed, and it's got to be fulfilling.
Love it. That was such a great summary. Not having to repeat the information twice or even once, as simple as it sounds, sometimes that is the holy grail. So this was very insightful. Thank you so much for sharing that, Adrian. We're very happy that you joined TalkDesk or Open Talk today, and thank you so much for being here. All right, let us talk about the second industry product announcement, TalkDesk Healthcare Experience Cloud. We built TalkDesk Healthcare Experience Cloud to help healthcare providers deliver differentiated patient experience across digital and voice communication channels. With the Healthcare Experience Cloud, we offer provider-specific insights and functions in the TalkDesk workspace that we just talked about. With the workspace, staff can now get a unified view of patients they are serving, including the EHR data, electronic health record data, context from virtual agent interactions, and also upcoming appointment information. Bringing provider-specific actionable insights right in the workspace during the call helps easier and more relevant conversation with their patients. And staff can reach out to these patients across any channel and topic at scale, saving time and resources as well. In addition to all of these, Healthcare Experience Cloud also supports personalized patient self-service, getting patients answers they are looking for much faster. So we're very excited about both the product launches today. both industry product announcements in financial services and healthcare. And we believe this is the first in the market in the contact center space. We're very much looking forward to working with customers to continue bringing more industry products to the market. And again, very excited about all the industry product launches and hope you use it and provide us fantastic feedback. All right, so we are coming towards the tail end of the keynote today, and I want to say thank you for all the feedback you provided us these past few years and constantly pushing us to innovate. We will continue to furiously innovate, deliver fast to provide a digital-first, automation-first customer experience solution so that all of you can stay ahead and deliver exceptional customer experience in any situation. And don't forget to join the breakout sessions. My teams have created a set of innovation breakout sessions, including great discussions with our customers, a day in the life demos, and expert sessions to help you innovate faster and better. Here on the screen, you're seeing the 4 sessions that are starting shortly that I highly recommend. Thank you once again for joining me today. A better way to exceptional customer experience begins right here in this moment with TalkDesk and you. Good luck and thank you.